Guys, today I am going to show you the most important chart that you need to see right now, and this is showing us how we should navigate the rest of this bull market, how we will actually be able to make money and make sure that we do not lose any money. So guys, today make sure to watch this video from the beginning until the end. Very important. Welcome back everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. Okay, let's get straight into it, guys. First, let's take a look at the overall market. You can see that on the daily time frame, OM is doing good. So OM is, as you know, one coin that I have been bullish on for over a year, I think like 1.5 years, and it's been doing absolutely amazing. Apart from that, you're seeing more green than red across the board here. Sonic is having a little bit of a pullback, but overall the crypto altcoin market today is seeing a little bit of a gain. So that is great. If you jump over to Bitcoin here, so what you can see for Bitcoin is that we are still, after hitting my support level here at $95,000, my orange line, we have still been going sideways here for the last 2 days. So really nothing in particular to talk about here. I remain bullish. We have the support level at $95,000. Now, in terms of altcoins, the altcoins that have been doing well, Ethereum is one of them. And Ethereum is slowly, again, starting to grind towards the upside here. And maybe we can make another try, and I believe this is going to happen. We will make another try towards 2,850 right here. Now, Bybit, they are buying Ethereum, so that is part of the reason why Ethereum is going up. They have already bought about between 100 to 200 million dollars worth of Ethereum, but they need to buy another like $1.2 billion worth of Ethereum. And yeah, that is ongoing right now. So Ethereum, I'm expecting Ethereum to continue to do pretty well here moving forward. If you look at Solana, so Solana is right now resting on my support level, $169. So you can see we've been supported there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 6 times potentially with this daily candle right here. So Solana, Ethereum definitely looking better. If we can break through, if we can come up here and break through 2,850, then I am expecting the $3,000 level to also be tested here. So that's looking good for Ethereum, but potentially a buying opportunity also here for Solana at 169. Dogecoin not doing anything in particular, just going sideways, slowly grinding down here. As you know, guys, for my trade, I do have a buy-in order right here for Doge as well. So if we come down lower, I will be adding more to my Doge position. And if you look at Cardano, Cardano is also looking pretty good. We have this trend here still intact of making higher lows and equal highs. So my orange resistance level at 80 cents still proving to be big resistance for Cardano. So we need to keep watching this. But if we can break above the 80 cent level, then I am going to not only expect a pump towards 98 cents for Cardano, I will also be adding a position, a short-term trade here for Cardano in addition to the trading strategies that I already have, which is, by the way, at $32,000 in profit. If you look at XRP, so same thing for XRP here, we've been hitting my resistance level, so multiple times here, but I am also expecting XRP to, at some point, break to $2.78 and go towards the upside. For as long as we continue to go sideways here, I do not mind it, so there's no rush for me to wait for it to break through it. In fact, the more volatility like this we see, the more my trading strategy for XRP is also going to make, the more profit here. And you can see that we are approaching almost $11,000 in grid profits here. So that's absolutely amazing. But this is great to see, and these charts I think are looking pretty decent, especially Ethereum. If we can clear this level at $2,850, then I'm expecting a nice little push for Ethereum, which I think is going to drag much of the altcoin market along with it. So if you look at the total chart, we are right now below key resistance here. So if we can, and we were actually above this before the Bybit hack here. So we were about to break through this, or we were actually breaking through it, and we were about to go up towards much higher levels. And then optimism got completely crushed here with the hack, and people got wrecked and liquidated. But now we're slowly starting to hit this point again at $3.15 trillion. If we can break away from this point, I am expecting us to do the same thing as I was expecting here, and that is to go up to $3.3 trillion. For the others chart, we're going sideways. Here for the others chart, my main thing is that if we come down lower at $235 billion, I will be adding huge altcoin positions. So now let me talk about first my trading strategies before I show you the most important chart you need to know right now. So my trading strategies for Bitcoin up $265,000. My first Ethereum bot is down $30,000. However, my second Ethereum bot is up $4,000. So that is great. For Solana, it is down $12,000, and for Doge, it is down $44,000. If we look at XRP and Cardano, they are up $32,000 for Cardano and $28,000 for XRP. If you look at the 100x challenge, not a lot has happened with this volatility. We just continue to see the algorithm make slowly but surely more profit. So we know that this is going to take a lot of time to accumulate and then compound back into the strategy. So that is completely fine. Things are still going according to plan. I have added a bunch of other strategies as well. So yesterday I added a trading strategy for Pi, and this has been doing absolutely amazing as well. It's currently at 16,300% annualized profit. Of course, this is going to change. Having this kind of profit is just absurd. But profits have been extremely good with Pi because there's just so much volatility with this trading pair. Now, with this one, it's a bit different because I've been taking a very wide range here because, yeah, there's a lot of volatility that's going to happen with this coin, guys. But it is going to make a lot of profit with the algorithm, I'm sure. And then let us see. I will keep you updated on this, of course, but if you want to join this strategy or any other trading strategy for that matter, go to the description of this video right now. First, sign up to Pionex using this link and then claim the deposit bonuses using this link. Then you have the main coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Doge, Cardano, and XRP right here. And then you have Pi or any other altcoin. If you click on this link, it will take you here. Here you have the altcoins to the left. But then if you go down, you have Pi right here. If you want to use that one, or if you want to use any other altcoin, you have it also right here in this document. Also, more individual trades are going to happen, so make sure to go down and sign up to the best exchanges I have down here. Of course, Pionex you already know about, but also Blowfin, which currently has a big trading competition. You have OKX, which is the best regulated exchange in my opinion. BitGet, Phemex, all of these offers are down at the description, and make sure to also use a VPN to protect your location. Now, let me show you this chart. So what you're seeing right here is in purple, you have the cycle between 2020 to 2021, basically the last altcoin cycle. If you look at the altcoin cycle we saw recently between August to February here, so basically the altcoin season we saw with AI and everything going up. If we compare these two cycles, let me show you what we have here. So this thing to the left is the volume. So in general, altcoin season brings more volume, right? And then here to the right, you have the appreciation of the coins. And then every single dot here represents each altcoin. So what you can see in comparison from the altcoin season, the last altcoin season and the altcoin season we saw right now, is that the dots are much more concentrated here to the right in a cluster in the previous season. In this particular season, you can see that the green dots are much more scattered. So what does this mean? Well, it means that in this season that you saw, this purple one, the last altcoin season, most of the coins actually went up between 100% to 1000%. Also, the volume was pretty concentrated around this area between $10 million in volume up to $100 million in volume change. So in general, most of the altcoins did more or less the same. Yes, you had a couple of outliers, like this one right here did over 10,000% in profit and also had an increase of over $10 billion in volume. So this one did really, really well. You have these ones that didn't have as good volume, but they had a lot of price appreciation. They went up more than, what is it, like 90,000% or something. So absolutely insane. And if you look at the current, so the green dots, the current altcoin season we saw, You had some coins that did incredibly well, even more than the last cycle. So these ones went up more than, what is like 200,000% or something. So absolutely insane amount of gains on some of the altcoins right here. But most of the altcoins, you can see that they have not really been performing that well. In fact, there are many altcoins here that did not go up more than even 10% right here in this so-called altcoin season. You have most altcoins being between 10% up to 100%, and that is not a lot. So if you compare the average here, 10% to 100%, in this altcoin season we saw, and then you compare it to the last one, which was between 100% to 1000% for most of the altcoins. So what this shows, guys, is that if you hit the right altcoins like this, or even these green dots right here, you're able to make insane profits. But in general, the altcoin market has been underperforming, and the majority of the coins have not been giving you good gains in comparison to the risks that they also pose. So this is why I continue to say, and this is why I've been saying this for many, many months, guys. The days where you can just hold 1,000 altcoins or 100 altcoins and they would all go up in the same time. Yes, it happened here in 2020. Yes, it happened in 2018. Yes, 2017, 2016. I was around in all of these altcoin cycles, guys. I can see the difference right now. The competition is fierce right now. There's much more competition. It's not as easy to make money on altcoins. So now you need to pick particular altcoins that are going to do well, and you need to get in and out. You need to trade them essentially. You need to get in, you need to see the gains, and then you need to have a plan for how you're going to get out. And today, guys, I'm actually going to release a video with about 15 altcoins that I am buying and adding to my portfolio. 15 altcoins, or like between, I don't think it was 15 exactly, I think it's like between 12 to 15, but anyway, that's besides the point. A couple of altcoins that I am going to present to you that you can do your own research on, and that I am thinking looks good for the rest of the cycle, guys. So that video is actually coming later on today. So make sure to subscribe and activate the bell. The most important thing is that you activate the bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release that video. But just keep this chart in mind, guys. Most altcoins are not going to give you those amazing gains. Most altcoins, if you hit right, yes, they will, but most altcoins are not. So it's all about finding those altcoins that are going to perform well for the rest of this cycle. And I will, of course, share with you the altcoins that I think are going to do well. Now let us continue. Kanye is going to launch a meme coin next week. So yeah, this is the name of the coin. And what do I have to say about this? So another one of these coins, you know that there's going to be insiders. You know that this is most likely a lot of people are going to buy this coin. And then the insiders are most likely going to dump the coin, and they are going to take the money out of the crypto space. So you know what I think about these celebrities launching these meme coins, guys. They are just extractors of the altcoin market, and I don't like it necessarily. So, but it is what it is. It is going to continue to happen, and people are going to continue to buy them, and people are going to continue to get wrecked. So Kanye is going to launch this, so just be aware of that. Otherwise, in other news, you can see that in terms of which chain he's going to launch it on, this post was actually deleted by Kanye, but CZ said that he has DM'd Kanye, so maybe it's going to be on the BNB chain. Overall, there's also accusations right now that actually Kanye has sold his account, or he has sold the right for other people to tweet on his account. So for about $20 million, it seems like Barkmet, and this is just speculation, this guy now has control of Kanye's account, and the general sentiment in the industry is that this guy, who apparently has control of it, is a known scammer and scumbag in the industry. Just understand right now, guys, that there is some drama surrounding this coin, and just like with the other famous rappers or like, I don't know, personalities, celebrities launching coins, they tend to go up initially and then they tend to drop like a rock. So just understand that, and I just want to give you a little bit of a warning right there. Yeah, later on today I will release that altcoin video, so be prepared for that one. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.